The One RS 1-inch 360 edition is Insta360's latest offering that many of us have been waiting for a long time, and it surely impressed many content creators with its performance and capability. For this most delinquent release, the company went for dual 1 and CMOS sensors, as you can already guess by its name. But you need to spend a hefty $800 for this camera, which is huge. Also, it's built on the same core and software that already Insta360 users know and own. However, if you find this camera bulky and don't feel like spending that much on it, we can suggest you some alternative cameras that can get your job done. So, without further ado, let's dive in. As you know, Insta360 One RS 1-inch 360 edition is powerful but is also expensive, and if you don't want to spend that much, you can use the GoPro Max instead. The GoPro Max is a perfect combination of sophistication and usability. It's lightweight, compact, and has a matte rubberized body to ensure durability. With a 16.6 megapixel camera, you can capture 5.6K 360-degree videos at 30 FPS. The GoPro Max also works pretty well as a general vlogging camera, all thanks to its high-quality built-in microphones. It can even be controlled with your voice commands like GoPro take a photo or GoPro start recording. Plus, stability on this camera is on another level with the Max Hyper Smooth feature. Also, you can lock the horizon level when you need it. As for the app accessibility, it's really well put together, making it smooth like butter to control the camera functions from your smartphone. Insta360 One X2 is a clever and endlessly creative 360 camera that has almost similar features as the Insta360 One RS 1-inch 360 edition. This is why we are highly suggesting you the One X2 as an alternative. Also, it's compact and slim, which can slide into your pocket pretty easily. This 360 camera even offers absolutely loads of features to create a canvas for your creativity. With its 18.5 megapixel camera, you can shoot in every direction along with a super 5.7K resolution. Besides, its pure shot enhances the dynamic range of low-light photos while reducing noise and preserving detail. The One X2's rugged body is waterproof and can submerge into the water for up to 10 meters. It even has a larger battery than the Insta360 One RS 1-inch 360 edition and gives up to 80 minutes of runtime. You might already know that the Insta360 One RS 1-inch 360 edition has a core system of the One RS. So, Insta360 One RS itself can be a great alternative with its overall performance. You can even get two cameras in one with Insta360 One RS. Just swap between the new 4K boost lens for stunningly detailed wide-angle videos and the 360 lens for 5.7K endless creative possibilities. Also, it provides 6K widescreen video to capture more views. With the 360-degree horizon lock feature, you can take perfectly level shots no matter how much you tilt your cam. Moreover, the Insta360 One RS comes with a flow state stabilization to ensure buttery smooth images and videos. Also, this device is tough and rugged as well as can be submerged in the water for up to 16 feet. With so many built-in and convenient features, the Ricoh Theta X can be a great alternative to Insta360 One RS 1-inch 360 edition. This camera is especially for those who are after an easy-to-use, versatile, and high-quality 360-degree camera. It has a 2.25-inch color touchscreen which can allow you to control the camera without any smartphone. Most importantly, photographers will love this because of its 60-megapixel camera. When combined with its excellent coloring and low-light abilities, Theta X works marvelously. Moreover, it can record 5.7K videos at 30 FPS. Also, enhanced image stabilization ensures vivid and smooth 360-degree videos. Battery life is a bit disappointing, but no worries, it has an instant battery swap ability. If you want to experience the 360-degree videos at an affordable price, you can obviously use the thumb-size action cam called the Insta360 GO 2. It definitely looks tiny, but mighty enough to deliver crisp 1440p videos at 50 FPS. Plus, the GO 2 can be mounted almost anywhere with its magnetic in-the-box accessories and can let you shoot hands-free. Also, this 360-degree action camera is packed with features like horizon lock, hyperlapse, time-lapse, slow motion, and many more to make your footage fun and creative. Moreover, the pocket-sized case also works as a charger, remote control, tripod, and basically anything you need. You can even take it swimming because it's waterproof and can be submerged up to 13 feet. The GO 2 has outstanding battery life and can allow you to shoot for up to 150 minutes. In short, with the Insta360 GO 2, you can be ready for any action. So that was all about the 5 best Insta360 One RS 1-inch 360 edition alternatives just for you. Which one do you like the most? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.